Hey guys, we're going to do a little Facebook Live. Sorry, I'm trying to get this set up because I didn't realize I had my tripod in my bathroom. So I've had some people ask me what I do for, like, how much product I use to wash my face and all that stuff. So I decided to jump on here and just show you guys so that since I'm in here doing this again, I'm going to just get started so that people rewatching this can watch it quickly. Okay, so I already started washing my face. I'm going to just kind of redo it. So what I first do is pretend I have like a full face of makeup on. I'm going to use this product and it's called Cleansing Fluid. And it comes on like, it's like kind of like a lotion. It's actually called face lotion, but it's a cleanser. So instead of it getting like soapy, it's kind of like creamy and oily, and it goes in and it makes your skin feel so amazing. So I'm going to just show you, I get it on my fingertips and I get about a quarter or nickel size on my fingertips. My hands are clean and I have dry hands. Those are important things. Hi Ty, hi Brock, hi Danny, hi DDV Productions. Okay, so I kind of rub them on and then you just start rubbing. And I'm not like pushing on my skin because our face is really delicate and we do not want to cause wrinkles. And so I am just going on and just kind of massaging the product in, and normally if I have makeup on, it's like rubbing the makeup all around. So since I don't have eyelashes on, I'm not going to touch them, but with mascara you would still rub them just the same. So you just go in and you'll kind of know like when it's done. Yes, this works on guys. I'm sure that you guys use it. It's the Elysee. Oh, I thought camera uses it. Okay, so you just go on there, rub it. So you see how it's like, it's literally shiny. It's not soapy. It's amazing because it's not going in and drying my skin. It's actually putting some nice oils in. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. And I'm going to get my washcloth. So make sure you use a clean washcloth every single time because I don't know if you guys know this, but washcloths, even if you like rinse it out and fold it up and then set it to dry, it holds in the water and the moisture creates bacteria, and that will be rubbing all over your face. So that will like make you break out. Okay, so I get my washcloth and I just wipe my face clean. With this product, you do need a washcloth because it is oily or more oily. It just doesn't come off if you splash the water on your face. And a little fun fact, if you use a washcloth, that goes in and because of like the fabric and it's rubbing on your skin, that's a light exfoliator. So you should be using a washcloth anyway so that you're getting rid of dead skin cells. Okay, now that we did that, so now I'm going to do my herbal fluid. This is like a little mask and it goes on. And hi Chelsea, hi Aubrey. So it goes on and you only use a little bit. Rub your finger. So if you guys just jumped on, I'm just showing my skin routine. Okay, so this one you do not get on your eyes because it has sage, rosemary, and thyme. So it's a little spicy smelling. Okay, so you just rub it around and you kind of leave it like thick. Get it on your forehead. And then this product is going to sit for 3 minutes. I just did it, so we're not going to leave it. But you can feel it's like cold and it kind of burns slightly, but that's what it's supposed to do. It's going in and it's like pulling out. So the reason why it burns is because of the coldness. So it's like a cooling effect. And it's going to go in and it's going to pull out all the impurities in our skin and our pores from our makeup and dirt and dust and sweat and all of that. And it's getting your face ready to exfoliate and like wash off all that stuff. And I like, if I have like a blemish or something, I like to like put it on there a little bit thicker, like on my more problem areas to make sure that it's like really getting it good. Okay, it's so crazy. This has never happened before. So I have this little friend here. I posted that on my Instagram story, but I popped it today. Okay, so I got the stuff out. It was like basically till it was like the clear, like I don't know, like watery. Well, when I'm putting this stuff on, it is literally pulling out more stuff. Like I can't even believe it. It's insane. This is how amazing this stuff works. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse my hands, wash off my washcloth. Hi guys, thanks for joining. I'm just doing my skincare routine because I've had quite a few people ask me about it. So if you're just jumping on, then you need to go watch the beginning. But it's only been a few minutes. Okay, so, and you guys, well actually no, I don't know. Okay, so anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. Hello. Okay, so now we're going to go to the exfoliator. So the product that I use, this product line, it has you exfoliate with almonds. So it's really awesome actually. They're compacted into there, and then you just use your fingernail. Well, some of it is already loosened up, but you use your fingernail and you just like loosen it up, okay? So it's dry, so I'm gonna just put a little bit on my fingertips. Not too much. It's kind of hard to show, and my phone's a little bit tall. I'm gonna get my other hand wet. Not sopping wet, just, you know, a little bit drippy. And then I'm gonna rub my hands together, and it creates kind of like a little paste, okay? So now you're gonna go into your skin, and this is going on, and it's taking off dead skin cells, exfoliating all that skin, And it's also getting rid of what the product I used right before brought to the surface. So now your skin can breathe. The nice thing about the almonds is it's so delicate on your skin. A lot of exfoliators go in and they rip your pores, so your skin doesn't stay like as nice. I don't know. So this is just really gentle, but it does the job like really good. Okay, so washing it off is a little bit tricky. I kind of like to do this in the shower, because if I'm in the shower, I literally just get my face wet, and then it just washes all the almonds off, because you can see, like, there's almonds on my skin. Okay, so rinsing off my washcloth every single time so I'm not smearing the old product onto my next step. My washcloth is not dripping wet, it's just, I wring it out. Okay, so the trick with this is only using like one swipe, because the almonds literally will be moving around your face for days if you don't get it off. Yeah, the almond scrub is seriously my favorite. Okay, so I start at my nose and I'm going to just do like a one wipe. So now like, well, you know, there's some makeup on there, but the almonds, and I'm going to fold that down because I don't want to use that spot again, or else it's going to literally smear. So look, that one wipe almost got rid of all of those almonds. Doing it again. Gonna fold it over, use a clean spot for my forehead, fold it over. Now I basically have a clean face. Okay, so those three things that I just did, that's called the 3-step cleanse. That's something you can do every single night. Your skin will completely turn over and turn into like new skin. It will look even. My skin is not the best right now, but it's because, to be honest, I don't do the 3-step cleanse as much as I should because I don't like to get my self-tanner washed off with the exfoliator. So, just going to be real with you. So my skin could look better if I really did this every single day, but girls gotta have a tan when you live in Utah and your tan gets gone in like 2 seconds. Okay, so there's that. You could literally do that and then put your face lotion on and stuff, but I'm going to do a little bit more because a few people needed to know the rest. So, here we go. The next thing that I'm going to use is another exfoliator, and it's called the Transformation Peel. And this stuff is amazing. It literally makes your skin roll off, and it's kind of like the almonds, but it's like this pink stuff. It has water, milk, sodium, borate, potassium. Okay, I'm not going to read all these words because I'm going to butcher them all, but it's really awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of the same thing. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I'm going to just put some on my fingers. It's kind of a lot, but I'm going to get my hand wet again. This stuff goes on, a little bit different than the almonds. So I'm just kind of like mixing it together. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And I'm going to just press it on my skin. It's best to do it over the sink. I'm going to try and turn this because it's falling off. Okay, so you're literally just rubbing, especially your dry areas. Hi, Candy. And you can start feeling your skin like rolling off. It's crazy. This transformation peel you can do every day too. And your skin will literally feel so tight. It will feel so soft, and it will look so healthy. Like your coloring will look better. It will look shiny. Well, not shiny in like an oily way, but shiny in like a hydrated way. It's pretty amazing. So you can do this more than once. So I usually do this like 3 times. You can feel when your skin is done. Like it kind of, it's getting rid of layers of skin. So you can feel when it's like, okay, I don't want to do that again because I don't want my skin to feel raw. I usually do it 3 times because anytime I do it more, it hurts. Okay, next one. So the one thing about this product, like if you guys end up wanting to buy it, I'm going to post a link about it and everything. You guys, you never want to put the product, if you get too much product, you never want to put more back in because that will contaminate the whole entire bottle. And I'm exposing my mess in the background, but it's okay. It's been a crazy week. Hi, thank you. It's very nice. So I like to do this right before I do a spray tan, so that I don't have to do it for a few days. Okay. Thanks for everybody who's still on here. Do you guys have any questions about skin, beauty, I don't know, anything? Well, not anything, but beauty related or something along those lines. Oh, look, it's just already so much better. So much better. Taking care of your skin, you guys, it is just so important, and I think so many people just don't do it, and it makes me sad because this skin literally has to stay with us forever until we're gone. So, if there's one thing to invest, it's making this look good. Okay, so that's all that for all of the washing. Now I'm going to go into my moisturizing and all of that kind of stuff. I look so much whiter than I really know. It's annoying. Okay. I'm going to turn this back. So, I'm going to dry my face and my hands. Look at. See how, like, it feels so nice. Oh my gosh, it is seriously so soft. You don't have to do this every day, but it's worth it. But it does take some time. But investing in yourself and your skin is so important. I cannot stress that enough. Seriously. It's just so important. Okay, so this is my night routine with my stuff. So here is an oil. So I don't know if you guys know this, but as we get older, our skin stops producing as much oil. So you need to put it on your skin so that your skin can be healthy and vibrant and beautiful. So I like to get my oil and I just spray. Typically I do 2 pumps. For this type of skin I have, I just barely dab it on and then I just start rubbing it on. I wish that you guys could feel my skin. It's just so, oh my gosh, it feels so good. And I'm not even just saying that. Like, every time I do this, I'm like, why did I wait so long to do this? Oh, thank you. Seriously. I have red stuff on my, like redness in my skin, which is kind of frustrating, but you can see like how even like, my redness. And I just rubbed it for a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to use a night cream. And this cream is pretty thick. Like, it is not liquidy, so you kind of go in and you just get your finger. That's all you need, okay? Because these 2 products are like best friends. They go together. They have to be used at the same time. So this product goes out and it oils up your skin and it helps it feel hydrated, but this is going to go on and it's going to be a thicker cream. If you use this, your skin isn't moisturized enough. If you use this, it's way too thick and you would use way too much product. But these 2 together work like magic because the thickness of this and the thinness of this, they just mold. Okay, so that's like nothing. I seriously like never go through my night cream. And I know like my dry areas. If you have, like my forehead is not very dry, so I do my forehead last. My nose is having some problems right now. Okay, that's it. It's amazing. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes, and then what I do is I rub it in even more because I don't like to sleep with my face oily and have my hair go into my face because I don't like to wash my hair like very often, so I don't want to be getting oily hair. Okay, that's the magic. That's what I do. If you guys have questions, let me know. I am going to add on my Instagram story a little swipe up, and you guys can go and buy the products, and I have a blog post about it. So if you guys ever have to find it, you can go to my blog, and it's the link in my bio, and find it in skincare. Okay? Thank you so much for joining and sticking around and watching this video. Seriously, take care of your skin. You won't regret it. Have a good night.